Let's learn about Smart Assist. We have seen that what is augmented analytics in our previous videos. Continuing to that means we will see what are different things which we can do with the Smart Assist. What is smart data discovery? That is the one definition we wanted to see at the first place. Smart discovery is a next generation data discovery capability that provides business users or citizens, data scientists with insights from advanced analytics. Business intelligence and analytics leaders should plan for adoption as capabilities mature. So this is very important to understand means about the data discovery, because business intelligence and analytics things will be going in this direction only going forward, because data discovery will be providing different capabilities to the business users or the data scientists, which can generate insights from different data which is actually having right now in the business. In that way only SAP has come up with Smart Assist, where there are different things which we can do. And that for this SAP has using machine learning technology, which covers about search to insights, smart discovery, smart insights, time series forecasting. R visualization also is important, powerful things. Smart grouping, smart transformation. R visualization is something we can say it's related to the data science. So that's what Miss SAP wanted to utilize, and R is integrated with the SAP Analytics Cloud as well, where we can build powerful visualizations that can be useful. We will see this practically one by one each these topics. So what Smart Assist includes? Smart Assist includes smart discovery, smart insight, smart grouping, smart transformation. We will see this one by one. So smart discovery will be having all KPIs, core KPIs, which understand our main business drivers behind the core KPIs, and based on that, these KPIs, it can be for business. It can give different decisions, making data which will be helpful for them to make the data. So it can uncover key influencers of KPIs by using classification and regression techniques, interact with the insights and explore hidden structures and relationship. It can find the answers to business questions through initiative charts and natural language. Natural language, that means users can write their questions in English language, and then the tool SAP Analytics Cloud tool can come up with the different visualization within fraction of time. That's the powerful capability of SAP Analytics Cloud. Second point is smart insights, which can develop clear understanding of intricate aspects of the business data. Based on, suppose we have created one column chart, or if you say numeric chart, or if you have created any other chart like line chart or geomap. Based on that chart, if you can say add smart insights, based on the data, it can give some information in terms of English language, what are the top contributors for that uh, particular business, or what is the factor which is affecting the revenue. Kind of those can give the example here or the explanation. That is smart insights. Smart grouping is we can use R technology, which is R is again a data science language, you can say, which can automatically create segments on different types of data in the organization, which can identify customer groups automatically in the data, and then can provide such type of visualization which will be helpful for the business users. So that's it from this video. I hope you have understood. We will be covering all this practically so that it will be more clear for you. If you have any question, then please put it in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.